Boys and girls, here we are getting ready for math. We're going to start out today with a number talk, and the activity we're going to be doing is called Clue Me In. I'm going to read the clues, and you're going to try to figure out what the number could be. It is underneath this big purple square, so I'll show it to you at the very end. And it's going to be one of the numbers between 0 and 20. I will block the numbers out as we do a clue, and we'll see if we can try to guess what it's going to be at the very, very end. So I'm going to get a highlighter. I'll use this bright purple, and we'll see if we can tell. So clue me in. Our first clue is, I am less than 20. Less than 20, it means it could be any number smaller than 20. So that clue just told us that the only number it cannot be is 20, but it could be 0 all the way to 19. Clue number 2, I am greater than 5. I am greater than 5. That means the number has to be larger than 5. So it cannot be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So now we know it will be one of these numerals, 6 to 19. Clue number 3, I am not one more than 10. I am not one more than 10. So 1 more than 10 means 10 to 11. So it is not the number 11. This one, I am less than 13. I am less than 13. So that means none of these numbers that are larger than 13 could be it. So now we're left with these numbers that are not pink. Here's our last clue. I am a 10 and some more. I am a 10 and some more. Well, is number 6 a 10 and some more? No. Is 7 10 and more? No. Is number 8 10 and some more? No. What about number 9? No. Is number 10 a 10 and some more? Nope, it's 10, but it's not some more. So it has to be one of these numerals. But look at this fourth clue. I am less than 13. Less than 13. So it has to be smaller than 13. Oh my goodness. So what number is left up there that you think it could be? What's my number? If you guessed 12, good for you. We got it. That one's kind of fun. We might have to try to do that some other days. Well, boys and girls, today it is time for us to take our Unit 4 test, believe it or not. So what I need you to do is to go get page 291, 292, 293, and 294. And we are going to take our Unit 4 test. So push pause if you need to go get those pages, and you should also have a pencil. Please put your name up on top. I do not see Ollie the octopus there, so we're just going to have to put our numbers on top. Now, boys and girls, since this is an assessment, this is going to be telling me what concepts you know and understand and which ones I should provide more help with. So you're going to do this all by yourself. I will try to do my best at giving you good directions, but please do not have anybody else help you. Just do your very best job. Okay, number 1, count to find how many apples and write the partners. 10 equals plus So look where the break apart stick is and write the partners. Okay. Number 2, this is going to be a story problem, so you should use your pencil to draw the story, and you will be writing how many apples the store has left right here. So the store has 9 apples. Dad buys 3 apples. How many apples are left in the store? Draw the apples the store has left. And if down here in the corner you could write how many apples are left, that would be perfect. The store has 9 apples. Dad buys 3 apples. How many apples are left in the store? Draw the apples the store has left. Number 3, which equation shows the partners of 10 for this picture? So look at the burgers, break apart stick and more burgers, and color in the little circle of just the one equation that matches this for the partners of 10. When you're done, you can turn the page over, and up at the top, number 4, subtract and ring the answer. Is it 4 or 6? 5 take away 1 equals. Here's an addition problem. 5 plus 0 equals. Ring the answer. For number 6, count and write the number. Ring the number that is less. Count the dots, write the number. Count the dots, write the number. Ring the number that is less. Is it this one or this one? Count the blue dots, write the number. Count these blue dots, write the number. And now ring the number that is less. Now, friends, number 8 gets a little tricky. So I want you to do your best, but this is what I want you to really look at, are these blue dots. You're going to be connecting the dots. So what you're going to be looking at is 10 plus 4 equals 14. You will start at this dot. Does this one show 10 plus 4 equals 14? Does the purple one show 10 plus 4 is 14? Or does the green one show 10 plus 4 is 14? Whichever one you're going to draw to, draw from there, and you either draw it to this dot, or this dot. Then 10 plus 3 equals 13. You'll start at this dot. Will you draw to this one, the yellow, or will you draw to the green? Which one shows 10 plus 3 equals 13? And then the very last one, 10 plus 1 equals 11. You'll start at this dot. Will you draw to here, purple, or all the way over to yellow? Which one shows 10 plus 1 equals 11? So you will just have lines going from one blue dot to another blue dot. Maybe one goes down. It's up to you. Okay, that was the trickiest one, I think. Okay, now that has number 9 up there already. Wow. Choose all of the solid shapes. Solid is the same as 3D. You will just color in whichever blue dots, but choose all of the solid shapes. Okay. Now we're going to look at all the shapes in this whole entire picture. And we're going to use this picture to answer these 4 questions. Number 10, how many spheres are there? Count all the spheres, write the number. Number 11, how many cylinders are there? Count all the cylinders. Write the number. Number 12, how many cones do you count? Write the number. And number 13, how many cubes are there? Count all the cubes and write the number. When you're done, we're going to the very last page. Number 14, look at all of these items. Ring the cylinder that is next to the cube. So draw a circle around the cylinder that is next to the cube. Now down here, whichever one you circle, you'll be circling both of the blue squares, the top and the bottom one. You'll either be circling this one or this one. Listen to the directions to know which one to circle. Ring the tiles that show the sphere below the cube. Ring the tiles that show the sphere below the cube. Whichever one it is, circle both of the blue tiles. And here's your very last question. You are going to draw a picture to show this equation. Draw to show number 14 as 10 ones and some ones. Then complete the equation. So you'll draw a picture up here. You're going to show the number 14 as a group of 10 and some ones. The number 14 as a group of 10 and some ones. And then fill in the boxes below. 10 plus equals 14. Right. Good luck, friends. When you are done, please take a picture of all 4 sides with your camera in Seesaw, and you can submit it either in Seesaw, or some of you have discovered how you can also submit things in Schoology. Either way, but try to take pictures and submit it to me. Thanks, and I'm sure you did marvelous. Well done, my friends.